Cognitive development during infancy. Piaget has been given some stages of cognitive development. First is sensory motor stage, second is pre-operational stage, third is concrete operational stage, and the fourth is formal operational stage. Sensory motor stage. The period is from birth to 2 years. That is, infant gradually becomes able to organize activities in relation to the environment through sensory and motor activities. Second is pre-operational stage, that is from 2 years to 7 years. Children's development are at a representational system and uses symbols such as words to represent people, place, events, etc. Third is concrete operational stage, is from 7 years to 12 years. Child can solve problems logically if they are focused on here and now. The fourth is formal operational stage, that lies between 12 to adult age. Person can think exactly, deal with hypothetical situation, and think about possibilities. Now I am going to tell you about the Piaget sensory motor stage. Piaget said that infants learn about themselves and their work through their own development and sensory motor activities. Sensory motor stages consist of 6 stages which follow from one to another as a baby skin or organism pattern or behavior become more elaborate. Much of this cognitive growth comes about what Piaget called circular reaction, in which a baby learns to reproduce pleasure or interesting events originally discovered by chance. Second substage is birth to 1 month or reflexive scheme. As neonates synthesized as they involved reflexes, they gain some control over them. They begin to engage in their behavior even when stimulates that elected as automatic reflexes is not present. Substage is second, that lies between 1 to 4th month, are also known as primary circular stage. Babies learn to repeat a pleasant bodily sensation first, achieved by a chance, that is sucking their thumbs. Piaget called this as a primary circulation reaction. They begin to turn towards sound, showing the ability to coordinate different kinds of sensory information, that is vision and hearing. And another one is substages third, also known as secondary circular reaction. Consciously with the new interest in manipulating interest, babies engage in secondary circulatory reaction, action aimed at repeating interesting effect in the surrounding world. Imitation of familiar behavior, example is cooking. When a friendly face appears, to make a face stay longer by the time they reach the fourth stage. Now fourth stage lies between 8 to 12 months, also known as coordination of secondary circular reaction. Infant has a few skills. They have ability to find a hidden object in first location in which it is hidden. Improved anticipation of events, initiation of behaviors slightly different from those the infant usually performs. Behavior is more deliberate and purposeful as infant coordinate previously learned skills and use learned behavior to attain their goals.